You are listening to CMU Podcast. This program is brought to you by Corporate Communication, the Alumni Relations Center, and the Language Institute. Hello everyone, this is Kelly, and welcome back to another episode of CMU Podcast. And today the news is PODD, an emergency alert system to elevate safety and quality of life by CMU. Chiang University's PODD Center has developed an eponymous digital system, also named PODD, to monitor human and animal health, the environment, and potential disasters. This system facilitates early detection by utilizing smartphones to automatically report, process, and issue alerts in real time. This all-in-one community health monitoring system is co-owned by local administrative organizations. It facilitates early detection by receiving reports from local residents, including established volunteer groups as well as the general public. Reports are submitted through two channels, the PODD Report Line app and the dedicated PODD app. And the process is quick and easy, requiring reporters to simply click to report, share their location, input details, and attach photos. The system has already been adopted by various local administrative organizations, including the On Tai municipality and the Hoi Sai subdistrict in Chiang Mai, the Bang Klang municipality in Sukhothai, and the Tao Pun subdistrict in Pre. The system allows for more efficient service provision, helping to manage transport and increase access for vulnerable groups. The collected data will also be used to improve future services, ensuring more accurate and comprehensive communication. In addition to ambulance services, the system issues alerts on a wide range of issues, which include human health concerns like dengue fever and bird flu, animal threats such as fowl cholera, rabies, and foot and mouth disease, and environmental issues like food safety, haze, and garbage. It also covers disasters like wildfires, landslides, and other high-risk areas. By encompassing all issues that require prompt assistance, PODD not only helps issue these critical alerts, but also modernizes the operations of local administration organizations, thus allowing them to address the needs of the communities more quickly and effectively. Thank you very much, and that's it for today. Please tune in again for the next episode of CMU Podcast on YouTube and Facebook, and don't forget to follow the hashtag CMU Podcast. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.